Hey guys, in this video I will show you how does Calendly Round Robin work. Alright, let's begin. Start at the Calendly homepage. In the upper left corner, click the Create button. From the options, select Round Robin. A pop-up will appear prompting you to invite users. Before we continue, here's how Round Robin works. It is a scheduling method that distributes meetings evenly among team members. Calendly tracks how many meetings each teammate has had. If one person is more than 3 meetings ahead, Calendly temporarily hides their availability. This helps balance the workload and prevents burnout. Now let's move on with setup. In the pop-up, type the email addresses of your team members. Double-check the emails to avoid errors. Once done, click Next. Here, assign roles. You can set members as users or admins. Users have limited access, while admins can manage and adjust schedules. Review everything carefully, then click Send Invitation. Your teammates will receive an email with a direct link to join the Round Robin schedule. So that's basically how you can use Calendly Round Robin. That's it for this video. Thanks.